Let's explore SCSS placeholder selectors. Create the main SCSS file for placeholders. Start with a basic list, reset placeholder. Create a card-based placeholder for reusable cards. Create a button-based placeholder for buttons. Create a flex center placeholder for centering the elements. Create an absolute center placeholder using position property. Set up the base body styles for the page. Create the main demo container. Style the main heading. Create navigation using placeholders. Extend both reset list and flex center placeholders. Style navigation items with button placeholder. Add hover effect to navigation items. Create a basic card using card placeholder. Create a feature card with different styling. Create a warning card with orange styling. Create primary button using button placeholder. Add hover effects to primary button. Create secondary button with orange color. Add hover effects to secondary button. Create model overlay using flex sensor placeholder. Create modal content using card placeholder. Create modal close button with multiple placeholders. Add hover effect to modal close button. Create a responsive card grid layout. Create utility classes for text alignment. Create margin top utility class. Create margin bottom utility class. Style demo sections with left border. Style section titles with orange color. Style code example blocks. Compile SCSS to CSS to see placeholder magic. Create HTML file to demonstrate placeholder usage. Start with HTML document structure. Link the compiled external style sheet. Create main demo container. Add navigation using placeholder selectors. Create demo section for card examples. Create responsive grid for cards. Create basic card using placeholder. Create feature card with green styling. Create warning card with orange styling. Create demo section for button examples. Create primary button example. Create secondary button example. Create demo section for modal example. Create modal overlay container. Create modal content box. Add modal title and content. Add modal description text. Create modal close button element. Create demo section for code example. Create code example block. Check the compiled CSS to C placeholder output. Open browser to see placeholder selectors in action. You can see navigation using reset list placeholder. Cards extend the same base placeholder with different colors. Buttons share common button styles from placeholder. Model uses multiple placeholders for positioning and styling. All styles are reusable without code duplication. There is a blog post and PDF version of this tutorial with more details on our websites. Also, if you need videos and content packages like this created for your own channel, follow the first link in the description.